Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A54, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages, we should have our Do Not Disturb toggle. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Now I'm looking for mine, but kind of failing on finding it. So it looks like it might not be added by default. In this case, we're going to click right here on this pencil. And yep, there it is. As you can see, Do Not Disturb. So what you want to do is hold this toggle and then drag it over to the top above this rating right here, which does change once you can actually remove it. There we go. When we go back, we'll have our toggle available to us on one of the pages, depending on where we dropped it. From here, if you're doing this the first time, you probably want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. Now, going over a couple of the options that I find more important, we have things like the schedule. Here you can select a fully automatic schedule that you can choose the day of the week that it will run through and start and end time. You can also create new ones. And below that we have messages and calls, so you can select who can call you or message you, with the calls having an additional option for repeated callers. If someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here. So in any case, once everything is set up, you can just close this, and whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, find the toggle, tap on it, and that's it. It shows you this icon right here too, so you know that it is right now enabled. And once you're done using it, you can tap on it again to turn it off. Now, one thing to keep in mind is when you enable your Do Not Disturb mode, it will run indefinitely till you disable it again yourself. So if you forget about it, just keep in mind it's just gonna continuously run in the background. Now, if that is something that you are afraid that you might be doing often, what you could do as a way to kind of go around this, because there is no other option to actually turn it off, you could select a schedule. So I just say that we're gonna select a schedule. It can run all week long. And then, for instance, start time, I'm gonna make it so it's going to be like 2 a.m. That's good enough. And then end time, it's going to be 2:01 a.m. Once saved, it automatically becomes enabled. Now, what this basically does right now is if I enable my Do Not Disturb mode and forget about it, at 2 a.m., it's gonna attempt to turn on Do Not Disturb mode, which it's already on, so it's not really gonna do much. And a minute after that, it's going to turn it off, as the schedule kind of does this. So in this case, it's going to turn it off as it was running. This gives you kind of like a peace of mind that it won't be running for weeks at a time if you forget about it. And the only downside is it's going to turn itself on for a minute every single day at 2 a.m., at least the way it's set for me. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.